What's going on, guys? John B here, and today I went out and did a little challenge for myself. I put the 85mm lens on my camera and went around town doing some street photography. It's been raining quite a bit here in Georgia, so last weekend I went out and did a car show, took some pictures, and today I decided to go around and do street photography. And it's the first sunny day we've had since last Sunday, so went around and challenged myself with just the fixed focal length of 85mm, and just went around town, just find little things to take pictures of, just things as you'll see in the pictures that are just you look at but you don't think anything about it. So hopefully you'll enjoy the pictures that I took today. And I didn't stay out too long because it was pretty windy out, and I really don't care for cold weather, so it was fine until the wind started blowing and I had to get out of the wind. But also I'm thinking about I've been thinking about it for a while, but I'm wanting to invest into a GoPro to kind of make my videos a little better. I want to be able to put they got the head strap, and they also got a chest strap that you can put on and mount the camera to. And I want to be able to take you all with me on my photography journeys, let you see what I go through, how I set up and stuff like that, and just show you where I go to, and the things that I have to set up, like my tripod and all that, how I do everything. So hopefully got a few more jobs coming up I can save up and possibly get a GoPro and try it out. So if anybody's got any good deals on GoPros, any kind of sponsorship or anything, let me know, because I wouldn't mind buying one at a discount. Discount's always good. So yeah, a friend bought one last week and I set it up for her, and now I'm on one after playing with it for a little while. So yeah, I figured GoPro give you my point of view, and you'll see everything I see. If I strap it to my chest or my head, and just take you on a journey with me. So hopefully you like these pictures, and I'll see you next video. Alright, later.